Masarap, yeah.
Kami kaya.
So halata talaga na may lahing Bisaya tong mga batang to. Dahil sarap na sarap sa udong. Sa udong na may sardinas.
Good morning everyone! Kami ang Greek Filipino family na nandito sa United Kingdom. So welcome to our channel. So kakagising lang namin ngayong araw na ito. At ang lulutuin ko mamaya ay ginisang ampalaya na may itlog. Kasi kahapon pumunta kami ng town sa market at sa wakas nakakita ako ng ampalaya. Kaya bumili ako ng dalawa at lulutuin ko yun mamaya. Gagawin kong ginisang ampalaya na may itlog at saka magluluto din ako ng again udong na may sardinas. At ang aming kanin for today's video is bigas na mais. Kasi doon sa Thailand store kahapon nakakita ako ng bigas na mais kaya bumili ako ng 2 kilo. So for the first time matitikman ng asawa ko at mga anak ko ang bigas mais. So, yun ang lulutuin ko at yun ang lunch namin for today. So, hope you like this video. Enjoy watching. Pupunta na naman kami ngayon sa town para bumili ng mga ingredients na lulutuin ko bukas at syempre para gala-gala din. Yan, ako, si Cassie at saka si Jackie. Yung mga sapatos namin. At hinihintay na namin yung binukong taxi kasi yung bus is after 1 hour pa ang next bus. Kaya magta-taxi na lang kami papuntang town. At si Philia naman ay sumama dun sa papa niya. Sila na grocery para sa shop. At saka, diretso na sila sa karinderya mamaya. So, kami lang tatlo. So, andito kami ngayon sa pintuan namin. Naghihintay ng taxi. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-drive. May isa pang sasakyan dyan. hindi ako marunong mag-drive kaya mag-taxi na lang ako. Nandito kami ngayon sa Quarry Park. Daming tao dito. Hi, Jackie. Yan. Sa likod namin is simbahan yan. Ayan, si Cassie. So, hi, Cassie. Ano to siya? Malaking park siya dito sa town na tinitirhan namin. Quarry Park ang tawag. Papasok kami ngayon sa Shrewsbury Enchanted Garden. Daming bulaklak dito. So, ito yung entrance. Ay, walang mga bulaklak. Usually, maraming bulaklak dito. Pero ngayon, walang bulaklak. Tinanggal na nila. Baka next month pa siguro nila itatanim. Ayan, may fountain doon. Si Cassie disappointed kasi yung mga bulaklak nawala. Nawawala yung mga bulaklak. So doon yung mga circle na yung mga garden ayan. Bulaklak yan dyan usually pero ngayon walang bulaklak this time. Tinatanggal nila kasi papalitan nila ng bago, tataniman naman ulit ng bago. So ayan, disappointed si Cassie kasi walang mga bulaklak for today. So siguro next week babalik kami dito at baka meron na silang bagong tanim na bulaklak. So ang tawag pala dito is Shrewsbury Garden sa ano nga yun kasi? Nakalimutan ko. Ito yung Quarry Park. Ayan, malaki siya oh. Meron pa doon. Ayan. Tapos here. Tsaka dyan naman yun ang garden. Ayan, si Cassie busy sa phone niya. Say hi, Cassie.
Hi.
Ayan, daming tao dito. Oh. Sila. Nag-picnic. Ayan, so tapos na kaming gumala dito sa Quarry Park. So babalik na kami doon sa town center para bumili ng shoes ni Cassie, ni Philia, at saka mga damit nila. Kasi yung mga damit ni Cassie is maliit na sa kanya. So, bibili ako ng mga damit niya ngayon. Si Jackie, may sumpong na naman. Galit siya. What happened? Why are you angry? Yeah, but we need to buy shoes for Cassie. And we need to go back to the shop. Yeah, Papa is going Sainsbury later. You'll go Sainsbury with Papa. Buy some magic mixie. Yeah, come on then. Come on. Let's go. Jackie. 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 Yun, may malaking... Ano? May malaking church daw. Ang ganda ng simbahan. So, ito yung Quarry Park. Ayan, malaking park. Panuway. Smile daw, sabi ni Jackie. Ayan, si Cassie. Enchanted Garden pala ang tawag doon sa loob. Shrewsbury Enchanted Garden. So, baka next week is magtatanim na sila ng bulaklak.
Tape.
Let's see your earrings.
Cherry.
Cassie the... Are we going home now?
Yeah.
Yep.
I have green top.
I have green tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's from the gummy.
Those strawberry lollipop.
Ay, habugas eh. Yan, nandito na kami ngayon sa shop namin. So, dumiretso na kami from town to here in the shop. So, yan yung pinamili namin. Ayan, si Philia at si Cassie. Si Jackie at si Cassie, early in the morning, diretso sa games. Yan, si Cassie, si Madam Cassie. Hey, go tied up your room. Tied up the living room, tied up everywhere. Jackie,
Huh?
did you eat your breakfast? You don't eat all your breakfast? Go eat your breakfast. Then brush your teeth. And change your clothes. Faster. Ayan, ito yung bigas mais na nabili ko. Ayan, oh. Ano to siya? Product of the Philippines. Galing sa Kalibo, Aklan. Ayan, bigas mais. So, first time kong lulutuan ng mga anak ko at saka asawa ko ng bigas mais. So, tingnan natin kung magustuhan ba nila ang bigas mais. At ito din yung ampalaya na nabili ko kahapon sa market. Ayan. Dalawa ang binili ko. So, minsan lang to naka-display sa market kasi marami din kasi mga Asian na mga tao dito doon sa town na lagi ko pinupuntahan. Maraming mga Thailand, mga Pilipino, mga Chinese, basta iba't ibang klaseng Asian. Kaya minsan ko lang talaga itong makita kasi sabi nung nagbebenta ng mga gulay, mabilis daw itong maubos kasi maraming Asian ang umibili nito. So, luckily, kahapon, may mga natira pa at yun, nakakuha ko ng dalawa. So, lutuin ko to, gigisahin at lagyan ng itlog. Ganito pala yung itsura ng udong. Ayan o. Made in Cebu. Ang Bisaya na noodles ito, udong. So usually nilalagyan namin to ng sardinas, sabaw na may sardinas. So ito yung Bisaya noodles. Are you excited to eat?
Yeah.
So ayan, luto na. Ito yung udong na may sardinas, ang Bisaya noodle soup. Tapos nilagyan ko din ng mga gulay-gulay, repolyo at saka yung zucchini konti. And ayan, yung bigas na mais. Sinadya kong, ano ba yung tawag sa dukot sa Tagalog? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung dukot. Sinadya kong ipadukot kasi gusto ko yung yung dukot ng bigas na mais. Ayan, ayan dukot. Hindi ko alam kung ano Tagalog ng dukot. At syempre yung ginisang ampalaya na may itlog. So, ayan, kakain na kami. Yung asawa ko hindi pa bumalik. So, sinabi ko sa asawa ko kung sasabay ba siya sa amin. Tapos ang sabi niya is mamaya na daw siya. So, titirhan ko na lang siya ng pagkain.
Is this right?
Kakain kami ng una ng mga anak ko.
I love her.
Anak namin. Say hello everyone!
Hello. Today's my challenge. I have my toy.
That's my channel.
Squishmallow.
Say today I'm going to eat a Filipino food.
Today I'm gonna eat a Filipino food.
Yeah.
Yay!
Come on.
Yeah.
Yan si Jackie, oh. Bigas mais.
Yay!
Tapos yung udong na may gulay. Yan si Philia. Try niya yung ampalaya. Tingnan natin kung magustuhan ba niya.
Huh?
Try the veg.
This.
No, the green veg.
The green.
Ampalaya. Try.
Which one I gonna eat? Mommy, which one I gonna eat?
Pait. She doesn't like
Mommy,
that.
which one
You know,
I gonna eat?
is it very bitter?
Mommy, how come,
You don't like it? Put it back if you don't.
Fast?
Just eat the egg. Eat everything, Jackie. Ayaw ni Pili yung ampalaya. Pait. Napaitan siya.
This.
It's very bitter, Jackie. You try one. Try one first. Try one. No, just one. Yung itlog yung kinain niya.
Yeah.
Paitan.
No.
Put it in the tissue. Put it in the tissue.
Yeah, Jackie.
I don't like it. I need a drink.
Paitan.
It tastes so yucky.
So yucky. Basta bata talaga ayaw ng ampalaya.
I
Sobrang
tasted it
pait.
again. To be honest, it's kind of nice, but the bitter hit is
What
not.
are I gonna eat fast?
Eat the udong in your corn rice.
I don't like to eat ginger.
So the ginger, that's a ampalaya. That's a bitter melon.
Bitter melon?
Bitter melon. Kuya ampalaya.
I just like it.
Where's Cassie? Why she did not eat?
Cassie! She's been on her phone, I think.
Cassie, that phone, I'm gonna hide it again. Ayan, bigas mais. Yung dukot yun sa akin. Kunin ko yung saan naman yung dukot. Yung dukot. Jackie, you want some more bitter melon? Ayan yung plato ko, yung dukot. Ayan. Gustong gusto ko yung dukot ng mais na bigas. Sarap. Lalo na pag may tuyo. Yung tuyong...
Tuyong sarap na.
Yung tuyo na budloy at hindi budloy, yung tuyo na tamban. Yun. Yung tuyong sardinas para yung tuyo na sardinas.
How are you listening for Papa?
Ayan, ito yung plato ko. Si Jackie gustong gusto ang udong. Jackie, you don't eat your rice?
Oh yeah,
That's a corn rice.
a rice.
More healthy. Corn. Rice made from corn. Philia. Do you like the corn rice? Or it's just the same with the rice? Are you watching outside?
There was a man, and it was on a door, and then it walked away.
The door?
It was outside the door, then it walked away.
It's delivery.
Oh.
Do you like the food, Philia? Yan, gusto niya Philia yung Bisaya food.
Bitter melon.
Si Philia, nagustuhan niya yung Bisaya food, yung probinsyang Bisaya food, ang udong na udong soup na at saka bigas mais.
What's that? Do I have it?
Pang probinsyang pagkain.
Bobby.
Gusto niya yung lasa. Except sa ampalaya dahil sobrang pait. Ayaw niya. Sa Jackie?
Also, we were at that party.
What?
Was I gonna wait in my pants?
What's that?
Are you recording?
Mm.
Oh, hello everybody. I just really love the noodles.
Bisaya
I
noodles.
could just eat it non-stop.
Please stop. Oh.
If anyone wanted to ask, here is my rating. 10 out of 10. Delicious.
Yeah. Yummy.
Mara. No, I mean Sarah.
If you want to know what I was doing, I was just folding the clothes and getting ready.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Taste something.
Cassie is here.
After a long time off the phone.
I wasn't playing on the phone a lot. I was just folding the clothes and I play on the phone while folding the clouds.
Okay, then.
I use Auto to fold the clothes.
This is a taste of different food I got. Hi everyone. Today my challenge is
Today is my channel again. Nice. Ooh, yummy udong.
masarap.
Masarap, yeah.
Kami kaya.
So halata talaga na may lahing Bisaya tong mga batang to. Dahil sarap na sarap sa udong. Sa udong na may sardinas. At saka, yung din, yung bigas mais. Nagustuhan din nila.
Yum, yum, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Tastes so delicious.
It's very delicious.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
But it's for Papa.
Papa is coming later, so we can
I said for
save some food for him.
Go for it. I wish I said for you.
It's alright. You sit down with Cassie, so it's okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's alright. Do you like do you like the what you call it, the bigas mais kasi, the corn rice? Or just the same? It's just the same taste with the normal rice, or it's better than the normal rice?
Ginger. No thanks.
It's the same.
The same. Oh, okay.
Yummy. Huh?
Ginger.
Ayan konti na lang natira sa udong. Ang dami nang kinain. Yeah? What happened?
But noodles is falling off.
Falling off. Did you eat all your udong already? Only soup left. Kinain na niya yung udong. Sabaw lang natira.
Chuck is even eating her rice.
You want some more udong? Noodles? Yeah? Okay, I'll give you some.
Wow.
Wow. Finish?
Not yet.
Every time
This food is very delicious. But there's one thing I have to say. The noodles, I forgot the name of the noodles.
Udong.
The udon is very yummy because it is
Not udon, udong.
Udong.
Yeah.
I love the udon because it isn't rice noodles. I love egg noodles or whatever it's made out of. The egg noodles.
I don't know. I forgot to read the ingredients. But it's a Bisaya noodles.
I like noodles like that because it tastes nice. It's better than the rice noodles, to be honest. But I still respect rice noodles. It's just that those kind of noodles are better. Thank you, mommy. Masarap.
I got some pudding now. But yeah,
I
I
need to get
got
to my
some
pudding.
pudding.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Do you want some pudding? Do you want you want calamay, you remember the sticky rice pudding, the very sticky? Do you want that?
Could you make
Calamay. Buhol
Look,
style
okay.
calamay.
Sorry, but
could you make mochi?
I really like it. Mommy, where's your mouth?
Hey, my mouth.
You don't have a mouth.
You have a mouth? Where's my mouth gone then?
It's hiding in your phone.
Oh, okay.
Who made this? This is
Jackie.
yours. Can I eat it?
No, that's mine. I'll make delicious food. I'll make my own pudding.
Okay. Do you have to make your own pudding?
Yes.
No, she does not.
I'm gonna put a chocolate sauce
Okay.
and I'm gonna roll it with the chocolate sauce
Mhm.
and put it in the plate.
Yan o, yung udong, naubos.
Jackie, I can make something.
Pero
better.
nag-ano pa ako, nagtira ako ng konti doon sa kaldero para sa asawa ko mamaya pag uwi niya. Pero yung hinain kong udong, ayan, ubos. Ito na natira para sa akin. Ang kinain ko lang pala is yung
I'll make a better
ampalaya.
pudding.
Kasi walang kumain ng ampalaya. Ayaw nila, sobrang pait.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I remember when I was just trying to make hot chocolate, and then I just randomly put it, and then I only put a little bit of water. I put it in the freezer, and it turned into some yummy chocolate dessert. Oh yeah, so funny.
Oh my god, delicious dessert.
Ha? Delicious what?
I will gonna add water, put hot chocolate,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna freeze it.
Jackie, do you want me to make it for you?
So I will do it by myself.
She will do it by herself.
Okay.
She's a big girl now. You're a big girl now. You can do everything.
Yeah.
Yes. Well done.
Hi guys, today we're Mommy's home. Mommy, there is this character Eternal Sugar Cookie, and she is
I'm
based
cool
on
like
a real
that.
that's called
Yes.
Aphrodite.
You gotta be taller than Cassie
What?
when you
Yeah.
grow up.
What did you say? What did you say? Eternal Sugar Cookie based off Greece. Yeah, Aphrodite.
You're just
No, she isn't.
Si Cassie, malapit na maubos yung pagkain niya. Buang mo ta.
Get mesmerized, Cassie.
Eat all your food first. Stop doing silly.
I'm gonna eat gato. Bye guys.
I'm gonna eat this.
Spring onion, Cassie. You don't like spring onion? Jackie, you don't eat your
Right.
rice.
Oh no. Okay.
You only eat udong all the time.
It's good Jackie only has noodles.
I'm done. Yes, Bob.
Naubos ni Cassie. So what can you say about the food today, Cassie?
It was really yummy.
As usual, it's really yummy. Basta Filipino food. Sa Filipino food,
Don't eat
it's always yummy.
this.
Para sa
Every
kanila.
food you cook, it's very yummy. I love the udon and rice, but I didn't try that one because I heard people say that it's very bitter.
It's bitter. Not very bitter. A little bit bitter.
Happy. I don't eat all this.
It's not udon. It's udong.
Udon.
Udon is the Japanese one. This one is beside udon. Yes, some more or full?
Full. Actually, now I want dessert.
Some more.
Get some biscuit.
What do I eat for dessert? Anything you want.
Because
Jack. Nakapokus sa udong. Gusto ni Jackie ang udong. Yeah.
I'm fine.
You're full, but you only eat like 3 spoons of rice and you only eat your udong. Are you full?
Yeah.
You don't want to eat anymore?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll eat your leftover food, okay?
Okay.
Hello everyone. For today's video is we're going to the playground.
Hi, look. Today's my channel. I want to go come to the playground.
Yes.
And I don't like soap. It's very boring.
It's not boring. It's lovely. Andito na naman kami ngayon sa playground. Yan si Philia. Ano na? Si Jackie. Yung laruan niya, nilagay niya sa swing. Kami lang dito, walang tao. Doon si Cassie. Sa kabila. Ano na pala dito? 6:30 na ng hapon. Hindi kami nakapunta kaninang umaga. Busy ako sa paglilinis ng bahay. Kaya ngayong hapon na lang kami pumunta dito sa playground. And mamaya pag uwi namin sa bahay is gagawa ako ng kalamay. Bohol style kalamay. Do you like kalamay?
What's calamari?
Do you remember I used to that was in Kenil also. You're 3 years old that I think 4, 5. You're 4 years old that time.
4 and 5.
Yeah, I make that one. The
Okay.
sticky brown rice pudding.
I only remember that ubi cake with the candy cherry on top.
Yeah, I think you don't remember, so I'm gonna make it later.
All I remember is that ubi cake in the fridge
Mm,
with the candy cherry on top.
yeah,
And I didn't like candy cherry, so I just had the cake.
yeah. Two madams.
What do you mean with that? I'm only trying to make this.
So ayan, nagsawa na silang maglaro. Si Jackie pala. Nagsawa na si Jackie maglaro. Kaya uuwi na kami. Hindi pala. Pupunta pa pala kami doon sa maliit na supermarket. Bibili ng snacks. Ng mga crispies and mga sweets. And alas 8 na ng gabi. Kaya uuwi na rin kami. Pagkatapos namin doon sa maliit na supermarket, diretso na kami uwi. At kakain ng snacks. At gagawa din ako ng ano nga yung kalamay. Bohol style. Oh no, why your hand is dirty?
Because it's from there.
Okay, come on, let's go. You wanna go to Coop? You wanna go to Coop?
I'll take a Coke.
Let's go to Coop. Oh no, Jackie lock you up.
It's Cassie.
I get up.
Kasi pala. Yan. So, 8 o'clock ng gabi. Tignan nyo naman. Parang alas 3 lang ng hapon.
8 o'clock gabi time.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa mga video namin. Sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin, sobrang maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please isubscribe niyo ang channel namin. And please like and share our video na rin. So maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. So, time to sleep na. So, good night everyone. Maraming salamat. See you soon. Bye-bye!